In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply a Shrinkwrap decal on surface of the seamless alpha image textured material. I'll create a collection for this mesh and hide it for now. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Let's create a cylinder. In edit mode, Ctrl+R to create loop cut and mouse wheel up to add one more loop cut. We can scale them apart like this. I'll extrude the top face inward, to prevent the visible alpha issues after subdividing. Lastly, we need a torus. Let's work on the material. I'll share a link to the example images used in this tutorial in the description below. I'm using Blender's built-in UV map, made for the UV sphere. We won't need the last two nodes. Here are the full nodes. Since the imported seamless image is using transparency, we can change the background color to any other colors. Let's work on the Shrinkwrap decal part. I'll import an image as a plane. I'll use a text, but the imported image can be anything. We need to rotate the plane properly. I'll use the top viewport to rotate the mesh. S to scale. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide it 100 times. Time to Shrinkwrap the plane. Here are the Shrinkwrap modifier settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.